finally got my Allure box for January. Keep watching to find out what's in it. Hey guys, it's Jen of all trades. Welcome back to my channel. Another awesome unboxing video by me. Alrighty, well, today we finally got the Allure Beauty Box. It is seriously, what, like the 30th of January? Like, what is going on right now? They are very, very late, but they are finally here, and I'm super excited to get this. So, as you can see, their boxing packaging has changed. If you've been watching other unboxing videos, I'm sure you already know that. So they used to come in this awesome like box, and I used to actually save those because you can use them for all kinds of little storage things. But now this is what you get. But I guess they decided to incorporate bags into their products stuff now, so that's kind of cool. I mean, it's nice to get a little bag because I don't currently get Ipsy, although I am on the waiting list. But yeah, so it's nice to have a little bag. But of course, as normal, as usual, if I can talk right, you do get the Allure Beauty pamphlet, little booklet thing, promo codes inside, and it has all the good stuff that is inside of here, but we're not going to look at that right now. So I have my beautiful clear red bag that it came in. It's kind of cool because you can see all the beautiful things that I got. There was one variation, and I was super nervous about it. There was the variation product was you could get these little miniature mini blending sponges, like spongy things for makeup, which I don't really need. I don't use those. I have no purpose or use for them, so I was like, please give me the Amika, and I got the Amika. Yay! Alright, so this is Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and I believe it's a hair mask. Yes. Gratify your hair with rich, high-potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. So this is a beautiful packaging. I have been seeing this brand all over the place. A lot of big YouTubers are getting sponsored by them, and I feel like their brand is just blowing up out of nowhere because I never heard of them before until recently. But this is really awesome. So, you know, since I bleach my hair and, you know, do things to it all on a regular basis, I'm super happy to get a hair mask because those are always good to have. Okay, so it looks like a lotion, and I can't smell it because I'm still trying to get over this massive sinus infection slash allergy situation. So I really can't smell anything, so I can't help you out on that, but there you go. This does retail for, if I can find it, so let's see. This retails for $28. So there you go. But I don't know if it's for that size or for a bigger size. I'm not quite sure on that. Alright, so the next thing, this is why I was so excited, and I think so many other people are excited. We got some Sunday Riley products. Sunday Riley is a very, I'm going to say high-end because they are expensive, skincare line. They have so many amazing products. Their face oils and just all kinds of good stuff. But this is one of their serums, which I do not have any serums, so you really need to have the serums in combination with a good moisturizer for wrinkle prevention and stuff like that. So this is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum, and that's what it looks like. So this lightweight retinol is used for smoothing lines and brightening complexions. And she said that this girl said that she saw clearer and better skin tone after a month of using it. It does retail for $85, and I believe this is the sample size. So that's cool. The second Sunday Riley product that we got is this. This is a face oil. Like currently I have the blue one, like the nighttime one, and I use it every night, and it is lasting forever. This is a massive size. I don't know if it's sample or if this is the full size, but it's a good amount of oil in this. It is the CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil with advanced vitamin C and evening primrose oil to brighten, hydrate, and glow. So again, that's what that looks like. And this retails for $80. And oil, don't get confused. If you have oily skin, it can still work for you. It can be good. It's not going to make you overly oily or anything like that. The oils in it actually just hydrate your face and are just overall good for you. Alright, so the next thing, I'm just going to go ahead and grab it. This is the bonus item that they included in our bags. This is the NCLA Red Call My Agent is the name of it. Actually, it looks kind of pink. It looks like a pink one. Nail polish. I'm just going to open it to see, because it's looking a little, okay, it's more of a pink color. I thought it was red. Well, alrighty, so there is that. That is the bonus one. And because it's a bonus, I'm not seeing it in my little pamphlet, so I cannot tell you the retail price. And I have a massive, massive box of nail polishes, so I will be giving this in a giveaway, just like what I've seen a lot of other people are doing. Nail polish just isn't something that I need or would use a lot. As you can see, like, black is my go-to and it just chips off after a day, so yeah. Alright, the next thing is Ouai. I still cannot pronounce this, even though I have gotten many of their products so far. This is a scalp and body scrub. I'm noticing right off the bat, look, it's like half empty. You see that? That's crazy that it's not even like full. That's so empty. Wow. That's kind of empty. That's, yeah. They could have at least filled the sample size up, really. This it says, I guess it's a sugar scrub. So it is a good exfoliator. It can make it's for your legs, your feet, your scalp. It can unclog hair follicles to help grow hair fat and healthier. You can use it on wet hair before shampooing and just rinse it out, or just, use it on your skin. It does retail for $38. And again, this is just the sample size, but it's pretty cool. Definitely an interesting product that I'll try. I don't have any sugar scrubs, so I'll try it. I don't know how I feel about putting sugar stuff in my hair, but we'll see. Alright, I have 2 more products in my neat little baggie. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. Not sure about that yet. Might put that in the giveaway. Might do that. I'm going to have one coming up. I'm not sure when that's going to be, but they're always at some point. Alright, so this one I'm just going to show you because it's there. This is the Douce, again, these weird names. Douce Douchey. I just say douchey because it sounds funny. Yeah. Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in the color Winterberry. And this retails for $22. This is what it looks like. It did have plastic on it. I just already took it off. And I will just swatch it. Ooh, that's so soft. That's super soft. That is really pretty. Okay. It's like a really dark mauve kind of color. That's super pretty. I can't wait to try it. Alright, and then the last thing that I have for my January Allure box is the Mally Ever Color Shadow Stick Extra. Alrighty. And this is in the color Burnished Bronze. And I have never tried a stick eyeshadow before, so that will be interesting to see. That's what it looks like. Alright, so this retails for $25, and it says you just put a little dab on and then you can blend it out. So let's see how that theory works. So there it is, and I'm not using a brush or anything, but alright, it does blend out pretty good. It actually kind of disappears. So I think that would be good in combination with some other brown toned eyeshadows and things. So definitely another product that I will try. So overall, this box I think is good. Allure has yet to disappoint me. They are one of my favorite boxes that I get. BoxyCharm is number one, like number one. Allure takes the number 2 spot. But yeah, So it's definitely worth it. If you are interested in signing up with Allure, I will have my referral link down below. They're always giving out free prizes, so you get a free prize, I get a free prize, everybody wins. Pretty cool. It is a monthly subscription box that goes for $15 per month, but when you first sign up, you get your first box for $10, which is a pretty good deal. The only thing I will say, just like you can see now, it's the 30th of January. You never know when you're going to get charged, and you never know when you're actually going to get the box, and it's usually late. So that's just the downfall, but the products are worth it. So if you do like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Just like it if you like Allure, you like Sunday Riley, like some of the products in here. It's pretty good stuff. And also, if you're not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. And I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.